Garmin Smart Rudder Bias. One of the advantages of operating a twin is enhanced peace of mind from engine redundancy. Yet an engine failure in these aircraft can present a safety risk of its own. When an engine fails in a twin, you must act quickly to maintain control of the aircraft. Smart Rudder Bias provides assistance that helps give you time to react. Smart Rudder Bias is available shortly after takeoff, and it monitors the aircraft through the entire flight, even when the autopilot is off. The system determines a one-engine inoperative condition by using the engine indication system to constantly monitor power produced by the engines. When the power differential exceeds a preset threshold, the system indicates which engine is failing and activates to help counteract the aerodynamic changes that occur because of the failure. Smart Rudder Bias immediately provides rudder force to help you overcome the yaw tendency from the inoperative engine. And if your bank angle exceeds preset limits because of the roll tendency, electronic stability and protection provides inputs to the aileron controls to help you increase or decrease bank, even in turns. It also provides inputs to the elevator controls to help you pitch for safe airspeed and avoid a stall. Once you reestablish stable flight, you can deactivate the system with a panel-mounted switch. Then fly to a suitable airport for an emergency landing. Smart Rudder Bias. Only from Garmin.